So guys, we're playing MM2. Kabalo mo ako tingog na kauna. Ako tingog guys. Hello, barala lang ng TV na sound, okay? Ibala na. Okay ra? Okay, salamat. Wait, ubalisan ko location. Okay, ate. Nabati bigay mo tingog, hapit ka. So guys, we're playing Murder Mystery 2, but it's assassin mode. Pero guys, sila ko ipakita ko ako face. Kaya makita mo, pwede na ko ipakita. Pero ang ko ibang videos mo, ako gagamitan kay chat. Kaya ba pa mo ko kabalo ng napokoy nakoy from tingog no. Hindi na nakoy tingog karon. So guys, I need to win. Most try hard ko guys. So guys, nag-fight silang ilan na wong. So guys, na-join ako ate si Will Jane. Sino na daw? So hello guys, it's playing Murder Mystery 2, but assassin mode. It's my brother. So don't mind that voice guys. Yeah, don't mind her voice as well guys. She's trying to make up my videos ugly. So that's great. Silly. Gas. Balik ka naman dito. So guys, matindi ka guys. So guys, motor na sa ko guys, pero try hard mode. So guys, assassin mode ni na game mode. Kung gaan ka mo din sa complete sa assassin mode, kasi ako kapakit din sa lingkon dya. Okay guys, sugot mo. Who wants to be friends with me? Oh. Yup, a friend already. Sorry, if you will gonna add friend me, I will not gonna accept because I have many sunset targets. Okay, I see her. What the hell? I see you. Die! What the hell? So he just tried to kill me. I just tried to kill him too. This is the name of target. So my target is this one. So guys, dali ang kill this. Ako isa ka sentinel na died ang plan. So guys, second round pang mamatay, gusto ko pang magkapera. So guys, kumadaog ko guys. Tagaan ko yung Jugali. You guys remind that boy. That's research facility. Nah, shut up. I like this mode. 660. Uy. I'm just accepting who will gonna add friend me and Roblox and Minecraft. And please subscribe. Oh, please again. Sure. My target is sunset again, brothers. Don't mind him. Did I see? I am ready. Die! No! Die! Oh, he killed me, guys. I'm not a girl. I'm a lucky girl. I have no target. So guys, I lost guys. I almost won guys. So guys, don't mind that boys. That's my sister. Don't mind their boys guys. Don't mind to the boys. Shut up! You shut up! You Milby! So I won this. So bye-bye. Muli ko sa Papa. Papa, give me Robux! Papa, when you give me Robux, I'm bored now because I don't have Robux. Papa, give me Robux! Yes. He left me with the milk. So many boys I think I'm gonna kill. Take I'm untouchable. I'm hiding. Kill me. Where are you? I'm in here. Okay, I'm waiting to open the door because you're dead. Die. No, I'm not. Die, girl, die. Guys! Ako dito. Namatay ko. So, guys. Come on, tag 10 minutes. 7 minutes na so. Guys. So guys, I'm thinking a lot. He cannot kill me. He cannot kill me, guys. Look. We are only two. Oh yeah, I don't have a nice quiet. So guys, can I be the best station? Where? Oh, there's only two. I can expect it. Kill me. Oh, Brian, you cannot kill me. What? Kill me. You cannot kill me. Shut up! Shut up! So guys, if you want to add friend me, here's my name. Padutus5, nickname Padutus5. What the? If you... What
Why the melon is gonna stick?
Shut up, I like this better.
I want the thing.
Are you hot?
So
So guys, I'm gonna try hard. If I win this guys, you have to like and subscribe to my vid. And get me to 1,000 likes. So guys, I need to win this. Ayaw subscribe sa